Hi, my name is Stephanie. I'm a physician assistant with Florida Alternative Medicine.
Hi, my name is Amanda. I'm also a physician assistant of Florida Alternative Medicine.
And our question today is, what did you want out of your Botox and filler training course, and how do you feel after finishing our training today?
So, my primary goal was to feel comfortable being hands-on with each individual and have the capacity to be able to do the injections with each patient, and I feel accomplished. With Christy,
Yay!
I feel like everything is amazing.
Excellent. And so this is Amanda's second time. So it was so exciting to see her again. And so now after this second training then, Amanda, how do you feel?
I feel like the second training, it really solidified what I had learned in the first training. It reinforced, all the procedures and techniques that we need to be able to learn. And it just felt really good to feel that much more confident the second time. And with Christy being able to come back and graciously train me the second time. So it was great.
Yay, great. Thank you, ladies.
Thanks.
Thank you.